Hi everyone, let me talk about the background for our topic. What is transportation? According to AMIRAH year 2022 stated that transportation is the use for the vehicle to move people or objects from one location to other, typically across a greater distance than is visible by walking. There are a few types for transportation: road, rail, sea, and air. Transportation is a basic need nowadays for most people and is also needed to assist some activities such as employment, education, social gardening, and so on. Thus, transportation is essential for everyone to move around anywhere. Type for transportation found in UUM is bicycle, motorcycle, and car and buses. The number for vehicle and UUM is driven mainly by lecturers, staff, and alumni. The most common for students is the bus because UUM provides a shuttle bus service to facilitate students' movement for the accommodation to the lecturer house. The cost for bus included in the fee rate change per semester. This is due to the fact that UUM management have approved permission to bring vehicle to the university for students who apply for vehicle sticker. However, students are also a big contribution to the increased vehicle and UUM because the population for UUM in UUM have been up to 27,732 undergraduate since October 2022. Pros and cons for bringing vehicle to campus. According to Consumer Grant Year 2021, stated that bringing a vehicle to campus can save time because students have the freedom to travel where they need to go without relying on public transportation or asking other people to get around, and having a car makes it easier to go off campus. Buses in UUM always step forward are overcrowded and are frequently late. If students bring cars to campus, it is so much easier to just travel yourself and not wait for the bus. According to DIAN, year 2021, bringing the vehicle to class is very expensive for students because students who bring their vehicle to UUM must budget for automotive expenses, which typically include gas, oil changes, and other routine maintenance. The weather of most different schools, but these expenses can be better than expected. Parking space on campus and UUM require a car sticker which you will have to purchase and not easily apply.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Amira binti AZMI. My metric number is 285474. For this part, I will explain about the problem statement, which is descriptive and inferential statistic, also the parameter of this study. Descriptive statistic based on 100 of students from UUM will be used to obtain the distribution of students who bring their own vehicle to UUM. According to the 2019, students bring vehicle to campus because it is very convenient. Next, more analysis using the inferential statistic. Maybe students bring their vehicle to campus because they want to save more time. From this hypothesis, we made a research using our Google form to the sample of UUM students that using road A, B, C, D, and F. With P, 20 students each road. From this Google form research, we find that 70 in the sample student has student saving time. What's the cost for student to bring their vehicle to campus? Finally, there are two parameters to be obtained in this study, which are all students in UUM that bring their own vehicle to the campus, and all students in UUM that did not bring their own vehicle to campus. The statistic in this study is the 100 UUM students. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Amani Binti Latif. My metric number is 285370. For this part, I will explain the population and the sample of our study. Our population is all undergraduate students of University Utara Malaysia. There are 27,732 students that have been registered as undergraduate students. For sample, 100 students have been selected from every rotas, which is A, B, C, D, and F. Every rotas, we took 20 students to see the result of whether they bring their own transport or not. We also conduct the Google form for the survey.
Hi everyone, I'm here to talk about the list of variable and scale measurement that apply in this study. Our group had carried out a questionnaire to collect data for our study. In the questionnaire consists of 10 questions and there are 4 measurement scales used in this set of questionnaire, which are nominal, ordinal, ratio, and interval. The question using nominal as the measurement scale included gender, routes, type of vehicles, costs of bringing vehicles, advantages and problems facing when bringing vehicle. Besides, interval had been applied on the question year of joining UUM and time needs vehicle the most to go to campus. Question regarding the age of respondent can be measured by ratio, and the needs of bringing vehicle to campus can be measured by ordinal.
Hello, my name is IFFAH binti Muhammad TAJUDDin. My matrix number is 285461. For data collection, we're using the primary data that is fresh from the researchers, and we're using a survey that is online questionnaire in Google Form. The advantage of using these methods is we can save our costs. It is easy to share with everybody, like sending through WhatsApp and sharing to your friends. Also, it can be reached to more respondents. The disadvantages of these methods, it is one-way interaction and it is not for difficult questions to ask the respondents. In conclusion, using appropriate statistics, we will be able to make sense of the large amount of data you collected so that you can tell your research story coherently and with justification. Thank you.